Hello everyone! Today, I am going to show you the top best stylish Seiko watches for men based on specifications. Seiko Watches is not a well-known or established watch brand. It is possible that you may be referring to the Japanese word Seiko, which is a popular watch brand that has been around since 1881. Seiko is a Number 9. Seiko Premier SKP 391P1 watch. Stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Silver dial with blue hands and alternating Roman numeral and index hour markers. Dial type, analog. Date display above the 6 o'clock position. Seiko caliber 7N39 quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Push crown. Solid case back. Round case shape. Case size 40.7 millimeters. Case thickness 6.3 millimeters. Band width 23 millimeters. Fold over clasp. Water resistant at 30 meters, 100 feet. Number 8. Seiko Chronograph SSG019. Collection is designed to sync up with your fast-paced lifestyle by automatically adjusting the time and date so you never have to. Silver-toned stainless steel bracelet. Round case, 45 millimeters. Blue chronograph dial with Guiuche detailed day marker. Date window and Seiko logo. Features include World Time Function featuring 25 time zones. Radio-controlled. Radio Sync solar chronograph automatically receives radio signals to precisely adjust the time and calendar signal reception and result indicator. No battery change is required. Quartz movement. Water resistant to 100 meters. Number 7. Seiko Astron watch. SBXC003. The world's first GPS solar watch. By connecting to the GPS network, the Astron adjusts at the touch of a button to your time zone and, by taking all the energy it needs from light alone, never needs a battery change. Solar quartz movement in 5x53 caliber. Titanium, hard coating, ceramic case of round shape. Case dimensions are 42.9 millimeters in diameter and 12.2 millimeters in thickness. Number 6. Seiko Astron GPS SSE143. All Astrons are outfitted with ceramic bezels, an element said to offer better signal reception compared to stainless steel. And Seiko has placed a ring antenna right underneath the bezel. GPS-controlled time and time zone adjustment. Signal reception result indication. Black ceramic bezel. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, sapphire crystal. Display type, analog. Number 5. Seiko Astron watch SBXC003. Solar quartz movement in 5x53 caliber. Titanium. Hard coating, ceramic case of round shape. Case dimensions are 42.9 millimeters in diameter and 12.2 millimeters in thickness. The dial of this Seiko watch is black. Display type, analog. This timepiece has sapphire, super clear coating glass. Titanium, hard coating band. Band color, silver. 100-meter water resistance. Number 4. Seiko Presage SPB093J1. The dials are made by a multi-stage process that includes firing 3 times at different temperatures and utilizing thicker layers of porcelain to create a deep, natural curve that produces a 3-dimensional shape. Display type, analog. Clasp push-button fold-over clasp with safety. Case diameter 40.6 millimeters. Number 3. Seiko SRPB43 Men's Presage. Silver dial enhanced by silver tone hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a black leather band. Automatic movement. 50 meters, 165 feet water resistance. Fixed bezel. Scratch-resistant hardlex crystal. Transparent case back. Fold-over clasp. Pull-push crown. Case size 40.5 millimeters by 12 millimeters. Band 20 millimeters. Number 2. Seiko Prospex Watch SNE437P1. The 200-meter ISO diver's certification is a must-have with a diver's watch of this caliber, and the double case construction with automatic movement makes for a perfect sport watch. The classic styling of this piece gives it an understated look while keeping all of the features of a diver's watch. Solar-powered generating system, meaning that there is no need to ever change batteries. 6-month power reserve when fully charged. Diameter 43.5 millimeters. Thickness 13 millimeters. Solar movement. Silver stainless steel. Number 1. Grand Seiko Drive Watch SBGA 211. A spring drive model with a high-intensity titanium case that achieves a true lightweight feel. Grand Seiko's unique caliber, which combines the motive force of a mainspring found with the high precision of a quartz watch. Case diameter 41 millimeters. Case thickness 12.2 millimeters. Band material high-intensity titanium.